Tired of those sky-high Verizon bills and ready for a change? We'll break down exactly how to ditch Verizon and jump ship to US Mobile in just a few easy steps. First, head over to the US Mobile website. As Mobilecom, the first thing you will want to do is check your phone's compatibility with the US Mobile network. US Mobile uses both Verizon and mobile networks, so chances are your phone will work. Use the compatibility checker on their site, enter your phone's IMEI number €. You can usually find this in your phone's settings under About Phone €, and click check. This will confirm if your device is good to go. Next, choose your perfect plan. US Mobile offers a ton of customizable options, from unlimited everything to daily plans, so find one that fits your needs. Now, let's talk about porting your number during the checkout process. You'll be asked if you want to transfer your existing Verizon number. Select yes and have your Verizon account number and PIN ready. You can find these on your Verizon bill or by contacting Verizon customer service. Once you receive your US Mobile SIM card, follow the activation instructions provided. This usually involves inserting the SIM into your phone and following the on-screen prompts or using the US Mobile app. The porting process can take anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours. During this time, you might experience a brief interruption in service. Keep both your old Verizon SIM and your new US Mobile SIM in your phones until the transfer is fully complete. Once the US Mobile SIM is active and working, you are all set. And that's it. You've successfully switched from Verizon to US Mobile. Enjoy your new, affordable phone service and the freedom of US Mobile. Don't forget to cancel your Verizon service once everything is up and running.